Hello grade 12. Welcome to today's video. In today's video we are looking at the lines of symmetry for a hyperbola of a general form y is equals to a divided by x minus p plus q with the center p and q. You have the general form of these lines of symmetry. Y is minus q is equals to x minus p for the positive gradient, and y minus q is equals to minus open bracket x minus p close bracket for the negative gradient. And now let's look at an example. We have got the first one that we have example. We have got 4, and then we have got x minus 3 plus 4. That's our hyperbola. And you can see from this hyperbola that we have a is 4 and p is 3 and q is 4. So straight away we can do the substitution. For the positive gradient, we are going to have y is equals to x minus 3 plus 4, and this is going to be x plus 1. So this is the line of symmetry with the positive gradient. For the line of symmetry with a negative gradient, we substitute. We are going to get y is equals to minus x minus 3 plus 4, and as you can see, this is going to be minus x plus 3 plus 4, and therefore we have our minus x plus 7 minus x plus 7. So this is our line of symmetry with a negative gradient. Let's look at another example, example 2. Right, in example 2 we have got y is equal to 2 divided by x plus 1 minus 5. So in this example we can see that our a is 2, p is minus 1, and q is minus 5. So for the line with a positive gradient, we have y is equals to x minus p plus q. So we are going to have x minus, then minus 1 plus minus 5. So this is going to be x plus 1 minus 5. So we have x minus 4. That's the line of symmetry with a positive gradient, and with a negative gradient, we substituting in our formula, we have y is equals to minus, we've got x minus 1. Okay, yes, we are going to have x minus 1, so minus minus, we are going to have positive. Then we have our minus 5. That's what we have there. As you can see, we have So this is going to give us minus and this is going to be minus x minus 1 minus 5, and we have this is going to be minus x minus 6. So we can see our line of symmetry with a negative gradient is going to be y is equal to minus x minus 6. Right, thank you very much. I hope you are able to follow. This is how we find the lines of symmetry for a hyperbola.